Hi everyone, this is Rena. Welcome to the Mama Elephant November 15th release. Remember, this release is Mama Elephant's last release for 2022. They will be back with more products and inspiration in January. Please make sure to leave a comment for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And today we are sharing New Year's cheers and quilted cover. These are New Year's sentiments in the larger scale lettering. I'll read all of the ones to you. Happy New Year. Happy New You. Cheers to a new year. Hooray party time. Have a sparkling new year. And pop fizz clink. Here's a look at the coordinating dies for New Year's cheers, and I love it when sentiments come with a coordinating die. These cut really close to the sentiment, so it looks really nice on your cards. We'll also be taking a look at quilted cover, and this cover die is an A2 size, so it'll cover your whole card front, and it has a nice quilted detail on the front. So since I'm on an embossing powder kick, we're going to gold emboss these sentiments onto white cardstock. I'm using Versa Mark ink to stamp it out. Don't forget to use your powder bag or your powder tool on your paper before you stamp, just so it can get rid of all of that stray embossing powder and it only goes where you want it to. These are New Year's sentiments, so it got me thinking into New Year's resolutions. And I always think about making them, but I never make them. And I should be making them, but I don't know how long I would stick to it. I feel like I've tried in prior years, but I totally don't remember. I think the older I get, the less important New Year's is. It's literally just another day. We literally just go to bed the same time, and it's hit or miss whether we hit midnight or not. But this year I have decided to make it a priority and to celebrate it and start some New Year's resolutions. We really need to get healthy and lose weight. So instead of waiting till January 1st to do all of this health stuff, I started now, and I went to the gym 4 times last week, and I'm so proud of myself. It is just rough. I used to go every single day and it was amazing. And then life got super busy and crazy. And for a couple years there, we did not go, and that was not good. But I am back, and I feel like 4 days in a row was crazy. I missed one day for some odd reason. But we're gonna go again, and we're gonna work out. I think I'm just gonna keep the resolution simple. It's just go to the gym, and we'll start there. But I started before New Year's just so we could get used to it and make it a habit. So by the time January 1st rolled around, I would be good and ready. Digging the look of the gold embossing powder. This is what these sentiments look like, all cut out, and I just love how it cuts so close to the letter. Here's a look at quilted cover, and I thought I would do a little bit of ink blending just so some of that stitching would pop, and I am using Distress Oxide ink and Scattered Straw. Where I'm doing the ink blending is where I'm going to place the sentiments because I wanted them to stand out and be super special. That's a look at the die there. So I decided to use the Cheers to a New Year. And then we are going to use some of the images from the stamp sets for this release. This is from Red Envelope. It's the little lantern. And then I'm using 2 of the super cute bunnies from Lunar Bunnies. So this year, it is Year of the Rabbit. And then there's a smaller sentiment, the best is yet to come. I decided to use that as well, and I sure hope so. I hope this year is better than prior years. It has been crazy. So I'm gonna pop that on a card base, and we are done with this card. Super simple, but I really love the sentiment and how big it is and how nice it looks gold embossed. Okay, that is it. I'm calling this card done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe. Happy crafting. I will see you guys next time. The release drops on November 15th. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.